everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. Today, I would like to introduce the SENKO SPM GT to you. Diffusion Type 4 Gas 4-in-1 Gas Detector. Open the package. This is the user manual. This is the certificate of quality. This is the calibration cap. This is the main frame. This is the charger and some replaceable charging heads. European standard, American standard, etc. All accessories are included. Ready to use? SPM GT shell is wrapped in rubber with a comfortable feel. It's shock-proof and drop-proof. The protection level is IP6. It's completely dust-proof and waterproof. The weight of the whole machine is only 240 grams. The thickness is moderate, which can be held with one hand. The front LCD display with backlight realizes real-time display of 4 gas concentrations. Below is the dual sensor area. We have a sensor that looks for both carbon monoxide and hydrogen sulfide. Single button operation, simple and convenient. Next to the button is a buzzer. Top infrared interface. The side has an alarm light. Sturdy alligator clip on the back. Below is the charging port. Next, we power on the detector. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Then, a 10-second system self-test is performed. It shows firmware version, sensor type, and range. After preheating, it enters the measurement mode. The screen displays for gas detections in real time. After power on, press the button to cycle through. To display different data, the backlight turns on simultaneously. It's convenient to see in dim environment. The content displayed in the loop is detect minimum value and maximum value, TWA and STEL alarm values, clear alarm value, set the alarm value, firmware version, set range calibration, date and time, impact testing, then return to the interface to be detected. The most important function of safety equipment is alarm. Next, we use a lighter to demonstrate triggering an alarm. When the gas concentration exceeds the set threshold, the detector will immediately trigger a triple alarm. The red LED light flashes rapidly. The buzzer emits a 90 decibel alarm sound. Meanwhile, the body vibrates violently. No matter how noisy the scene is, you can detect the danger at the first time. Enter the calibration menu. Long press the button. To enter the calibration mode, zero calibration needs to be done in clean air. The first one is atmospheric calibration. Then, long press the button. Enter zero calibration. If it shows OK, the zero calibration is complete. Next, we will demonstrate the calibration of the standard gas. Standard air calibration needs to be carried out in a professional air extraction room. If you need to calibrate a single gas, it needs to be on IR-Link. Turn off other sensors that do not need calibration. Then calibrate the single gas. First, install the calibration cover. Hose connecting to gas cylinder. Enter the calibration menu first. Then long press to enter the calibration mode. Turn on the gas cylinder switch first, then turn on the flowmeter switch. Wait 90 seconds for calibration. The screen says, OK, after calibration is complete. Next, demonstrate the use of IR-Link and software. Double-click to open the software. Align the infrared connector to the top interface of the detector. Click Open to connect. It shows connection success. Here you can see the detector version, number, serial number. TWA method. You see LEL, oxygen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide. The setting of the alarm value reported by the sensor. Here is the switch of the sensor. You can block a certain sensor here. For example, let's turn off this X flammable sensor. Click the small box to untick. Then click right. Click Yes. Write successfully. At this time, pay attention to our detector screen. The X flammable sensor has been turned off. Next, we demonstrate disassembly and replacement of the sensor. You need to shut down before disassembling the machine. First, return to the interface to be detected. Long press the button for more than 5 seconds. The screen will display a countdown. Then the device will be turned off. Now ready to disassemble and replace the sensor. The sensor's lifespan is usually 2 to 3 years. It needs to be replaced after expiration. First, remove the 6 screws on the back. Open the back cover of the detector. Carefully pull out the old sensor. Note the interface direction. Insert the new sensor. Make sure it's fully tightened. The new sensor is plug and play. The device will automatically recognize it. Now, put back the front case of the detector. Install the screws on the back one by one.